Okay, so what I'm going to do here is add a style sheet. So in order to make our name a different size and a different color, we're going to add a style sheet. So what I'm going to do is do a line break there in my site root. Now make sure you're in project files and not the files area, so you can see site root, okay? And in site root you can right click and press new cascading style sheet, and we call it my style, or whatever you want to call it. Press finish, and then that's in there, right? I can come into my document and say, okay, I'm going to call this like an H1, okay? And we'll have a look at it. Okay, so this is a heading 1 tag. I save it. Let's go back to the browser and have a look. Refresh. There's our large heading. Right, so I want to style an H1. I'll go back to my style sheet. I'll press H1, and then I'll use curly braces, which are these guys here, like moustache bars, yeah? Moustache handlebars. What I want to do is add a color. I'm going to say, well, it's even given me options here. I can go down there and I'm going to say, okay, dark blue. And I'm going to press, yep, that one there. I want to do, I know what text size is, so we do font size. See, we do that and then it says font size. So I'm going to say like 60 pixels because we work in pixels on the web, and we press save. Go back to my design and let's see this, nothing. Okay, so the reason why nothing happened there is because I didn't link to it in the header. I must link all my files in the head of any HTML pages. So if I want any styling to be rendered in the browser, it has to be in the style sheet, and that style sheet has to be linked on every single HTML page. Press save, go back to our page, and there it is. So we can add styles now and add extra tags with more styling, which I'll show you in another video. But essentially we've got our style sheet working and we've checked that it works, okay?